let's review 8-man. Y'all remember 8-man? We did it a lot of weeks ago. We learned 8-man a long time ago. So let's first talk about why do we use 8-man. 8-man, remember, is an equation or a code to help you find protons, neutrons, and electrons. Some questions will ask you straight up, what is the total number of subatomic particles? Or how many protons, neutrons, and electrons does potassium have? Some will be a little more discreet. They will say, how many neutrons does an atom of potassium have with a mass of 39? If you are asked for protons, neutrons, or electrons, this is your tool. They can ask it in many different forms, but you always use this tool. If you're asked for the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons. So let's review real quick. The A in 8-man stands for atomic number. I just picked an element, I picked potassium. Remember, the atomic number is the number on top. The M in man stands for the mass number. Remember, the mass number is the number on bottom, and we always round. I don't want to mess with no 3-digit decimal, so we round. Remember, you look at the tens place to round. If this number is 0.5 or up, you round up. If this number is 0.4 or down, you stay. So for this one, it's 0.0, so it's 0.4 or down, so we're gonna stay at 39. All right, so let's fill in 8-man. Our atomic number is 19. According to 8-man, this is so easy, it's my favorite part. If our atomic number is 19, then we also have 19 protons and 19 electrons. The mass number, we already said we would round it to 39, minus the atomic number we already found, it's right here, is 19, gives us 39 minus 19 gives us 20. So 8-man helped us find protons, electrons, and neutrons. 8-man did not help us find the atomic number. It did not help us find the mass number. We get that from the periodic table. So you use this to find the number of protons, electrons, and neutrons. What if this question said, or what if you had a question that said, what is the total subatomic particles in an atom of potassium? You would need to add protons plus electrons plus neutrons. So you would need to add 19 plus 19 plus 20 to get the total. What if it asked for, no, I didn't mean to erase all that. Okay, that's all right. What if it asked for the total number in the nucleus? The total number of atoms in the nucleus. Well, what two things are in the nucleus? Protons and neutrons. So you would add only protons and neutrons. So remember, 8-man can be asked many ways. You use 8-man to find protons, electrons, and neutrons, and then you have to make it specific. You have to use that to answer the specific question you're being asked.